Coming up. A power drill. An electric sander. A wood saw. We're learning about power tools today. Come on, let's go play. These are acro canes, and today we're going to make some. First we need to use this saw to cut the wood.
Alright, just hold it.
Yeah.
When it's cut all that through, it's going to come down. I'll get this close to you, alright? Get this out, Hamish.
This is the electric sander.
Alright, you ready?
We can use this power tool to smooth the edges.
Controlling it. I'm holding it.
This is the drill. First we drill the holes, and then we use the drill to put the screws in. Screw the arms on. We use this pen to mark where we need to drill the holes. This is the drill bit for drilling the holes. This is the angle grinder. And look at that! We've made a set of acro canes.
Ha ha ha! Ha 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 ha!
Look at this! We're putting together a skateboard ramp. We can use these to hold it together. Come on, let's go play. We can ride the balance bike and the skateboard and the push bike. Coming up, we're learning about lawnmowers today. The push lawnmower, the hedge trimmer, and we use our tools to fix the weed eater. We get to meet our new Min Min Playtime chickens. And our Blippi toy comes to check out our Little Tykes Gas and Go lawnmower.
Hello!
We've also got our Min Min Playtime present to open. I wonder what's inside. Come on, let's go play.
Some safety, and sunglasses.
We're getting ready to mow the lawns. We've got all our safety gear. We're putting on our safety shirt, our boots, our safety glasses, and our ear protection.
Wow.
Dad needs his boots and his gloves. Now we're ready to mow the lawn. These are all the garden tools we're going to use today. We've got the whippersnipper, the John Deere toy whippersnipper, the hedge trimmer, and our push lawnmower. First we need to move the baby chickens out the way so we can mow the lawn. This is our new baby chicken and her name is Red. This baby chicken is called Blueberry. We're going to pop them in here with the guinea pig and the rabbit, so they're out the way when we do all our yard work. We've got 3 baby chickens. This baby chicken's name is Poppy. Oh, isn't she lovely? Now all 3 chickens are away. We can do some yard work. This is the whippersnipper, or you might call it a weed eater. The whippersnipper's good for getting all the long grass around the edges. We can cut the grass on the edge of the cubby house and cut the grass under the slide. We've got lots of work to do today. Lucky our friends are here to help us. Can you make the noise the whippersnipper makes? Oh, look! Something's happened to the whippersnipper. It's not working. Let's use our tools to fix it. We can use the hammer and the screwdriver. Let's use this spanner. See if we can tighten this up and fix the whippersnipper. Do you think the saw might help? There, that's better. Now the whippersnipper's ready to go. The next job we need to do today is the hedge trimming. This is the John Deere toy hedge trimmer, but it's not working properly. Do you know what we need to fix it? That's right, we can use our tools to fix it. Put a little bit of oil in. Let's see if that helps. It's still a bit stuck. Maybe we also need some tools to help fix the hedge trimmer toy. This hammer will help fix the toy. There we go. That's working much better now. The hedge trimmer is very noisy. Can you make a hedge trimmer noise? Trimming all the extra branches off the hedge. This hedge trimmer's on a long extension pole, so we can reach all the way to the top. But we might need another tool to help us reach the very top. You know what we could use to help reach the top? A ladder. Climbing up the ladder to reach the top of the hedge. Now it's time for my favourite part. It's time to mow the lawn. This is the push lawnmower and the Little Tikes Gas and Go lawnmower. Look at all the fresh cut grass. Tip it all in here. Oh look, it's our Blippi toy.
Whoa, this is so cool. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you ready to have some fun?
Hi Blippi, hi! This lawnmower's chopping up all the hedge trimmings. Can you see the baby chickens?
Whoa, look at this.
Blippi, come look at the baby chickens. Do you know how many baby chickens we have? 1, 2, 3 baby chickens.
Yeah, good job.
Hi! Hi Blueberry, hi Poppy, hi Red. Our Blippi toy wants to check out the Little Tikes Gas and Go lawnmower.
This is gonna be so much fun. Thanks for being my friend. Yeah!
Wow,
There are lots
this
of-
is really
lots of
cool.
more petrol.
More petrol? How do you start it?
You use this one and this one to start it.
Just like that. That's awesome. We love lawnmowers.
Yeah!
And do you know, like my daddy's lawnmower?
Yeah!
Can you show me it?
Yeah, it's here.
What's this one do here?
This one?
Yeah.
It makes, so you need to be working and it makes the lawnmower doors.
And where do you put the petrol in this one?
Here.
Whoa! Look at this!
You almost finished mowing lawns?
No, there's so much grass.
Yeah!
And see there's this grass.
Yeah! Anywho,
There's some grass. It's yummy.
hey!
Yeah.
Hey!
Oh, you.
This is gonna be so much fun! Yeah! It's me, Blippi! Yeah! Whoa! Look at this!
We've had a lot of fun today, learning about the lawnmower and the lawnmower toy, the hedge trimmer and the whippersnipper. We've got one thing left to do. Can you remember what it is? That's right. It's time to open our Min Min Playtime present. I wonder what's inside. Look, it's a Blippi toy. Wow!
Do you hold it? I'll put it on the floor. Oh!
Kids, if you like watching Min Min Playtime, ask a grown-up to help you subscribe. And let's go play Min Min Playtime!
Let's go play, it's Min Min Playtime.